talk about the user management in Divus Optima. In general, every user has access to every object in Optima. The structure has user groups containing users and objects. The user becomes the exclusive owner of the objects in his group, whereas other users not belonging to this user group will lose their access rights. The admin user is not affected by this mechanism. He always has access to everything, no matter what. So how do I create two users, which are shown different rooms to navigate and comment? You start by creating two new user groups. Then you add a new user to each group. Then you assign 2 rooms to the first group and 2 rooms to the second group. The 5th room shall remain accessible for everyone. If now we log out and access the server with one of the new accounts, we will find out that we see and have access only to the objects assigned to our group and to those not assigned to any group, while we don't have access to the rooms assigned to the other group. And switching to the other user, we will have a similar but opposite result. Please pay attention to the Favorites page. If a user adds one of its exclusively owned rooms to Favorites, it will be accessible to other users as well, because all users have access to the Favorites page. To avoid this situation, you can either assign a single objects to different user groups. Now the object added to Favorites will be visible only to the owner user. Or you can also decide to remove the Favorites page from the navigation menu. Adding a few more steps, you can easily create more complex access hierarchies. For example, a parents group, which should have access to both the parents and the children's rooms and devices, while the children group should only have access to their room or objects. This can be achieved by adding the parent user to both the parent group and the children group. Extending these techniques, it is possible to build hierarchies as well horizontally as vertically, in order to create and manage also complex access right systems. If you would like to see an example project with different rooms and users, you may use the demo project available on our website in the download section under PDK. You will find all the details in the README file inside the zip file. Have fun!